Guys, it's Charisma, and so today I'm going to be talking about some little tips and tricks to take care of like that hooded eye look. Alright guys, so today I'm going to talk about some tricks that you can do if you have the hooded eye. If you look very closely, I actually have one eye that is considerably larger than the other, and when I smile, this eye goes away. So I really do try to kind of make this eye a little bit bigger, and I've learned over the years different things that work for my eye shape, but one of the cool things that you can do, I apologize, I thought I had my shadow brush out here and I didn't. I apologize for that. So I'm just going to use my Merle Knockout Nudes palette to kind of show you something really quick. What I like to do, one of the tricks that you can do, I tend to like to underline my eye with a color that I've used in my color palette. I've been really going to the Cafe Society a lot. I really like this color, and you could probably actually even contour with it. It's just got a really great undertone. So one of the things that you can do is just kind of go mid-eye. This is the one that I use most of the time. And as you can see, I don't bring it here and I don't bring it here. So I'm literally just kind of going just a little bit outside of the color of my eye. And from there, I'll actually finish this whole eye out and show you a different trick that you can do. But typically what you can do with a hooded eye is either bring your shadow straight out, or you want to bring your shadow just to the end of your eye. And I'm going to do that on this one. So I'm going to take that Cafe Society and I'm going to actually take it, and I don't take it all the way over. Now you can if you want to. I don't typically color in the waterline, but today I'm going to. Just halfway. And I do like to color the top waterline. Okay. Now I don't have any primer or anything on my eye. I'm just showing you just tips and tricks. I'm not gonna do like a full look. So again, using Cafe Society, and I'm just going to go right here. Okay. And since I have that hood, I'm gonna go right above that hood, because now I'm giving the illusion, and just, you can see I haven't even blended, and you can see that that eye is now somewhat balanced with this eye. And I'm not going, I'm just staying right in line with my under eye. And I'm trying to teach myself to do my eyeshadow with my eyes open. I have to tell you, it's something that's, I really just want to keep doing this. I'm gonna take my blush, or my brush, and I'm gonna blend that ever so softly. And just right there. And then I would go in, say with a more neutral color. And you're not really gonna see this much because, like I said, I don't have any primer or anything on my eye. But that just attests to how pigmented the Merle eyeshadows are, because I have to be honest with you, when you put down primer, they just become even more pigmented. There is just a lot of pigment in these eyeshadows, and that's why I love them. And for the price, you really just, you can't beat it. Then what I would do is on that lid that you can see, so It's not a lot of lid over here, but over here, I have a little bit of lid, but here you really can't see it. So I'm really just going to just go in the part that you can see. So as you can see already, just this little bit of a tip and trick, this eye and this eye are starting to match up. And that's what you kind of want to do. So get in your mirror and mess up. Get in there, put your eyeshadow on like you normally do, and then go in and say, okay, I really like how Manny does this, or Nikki does this, or Wayne does this, or Charisma does this. And get in there and learn how to do it, and just get out of your box and your comfort zone, and then you'll see that there's just so many different ways that makeup, to me, makeup is an enhancement, and I promise you I will never use any kind of filters to make myself look better. I don't agree with that. I think that, you know, you should work with what you have, and I don't even like it when makeup companies do it. I don't like it when they use these beautiful 20-year-old models who have, you know, flawless skin, and then they still filter them out, and they have absolutely no pores, and the makeup is just spot on and precision and kind of that Instagram eye. I personally don't agree with that, so I will never do that. That's my soapbox for today. So back to the eyes. As you can see, just that little bit, and I'll do it over here on this eye. Now I have a crease on this side a little bit. It's still hooded, but just a little. And there's not a lot of makeup here, guys, and this is just, you know, just a quick look. And you can see the difference. Again, me personally, I like just the half moon. I just feel like it makes my eye look bigger. Whereas this kind of closes the eye down, and I'm all about making everything bigger and going up and just more flattering as you get older. So yeah, that's the tip and trick for the day. Probably should blend that out a little bit better. If you guys ever have any questions or comments, let me know, and I promise I will do my best to get to them and try to do the things that, you know, that maybe you're struggling with, and help you with that, because I'm all about empowering people and, you know, helping them out, and, you know, that's my motto. So again, you know, just a little here, staying in with my brow, and, you know, going up, giving that illusion of everything going up. And as you can see, just kind of putting that little bit of shadow there has balanced my eyes out as much as they're gonna get balanced out. And no eyebrows or anything, just raw makeup. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and click on that subscribe button, click the thumbs up if you liked it, and thanks a lot. God bless.